You probably have some questions about our cortisol evening tea, and I'm here to answer those for you. First, I'm going to tell you what it does. The cortisol evening tea is a blend of completely caffeine-free, soothing herbs like ashwagandha, which is an adaptogen. It helps to protect your body against the negative effects of stress. And we blended that with relaxing herbs like skullcap and oat straw, both of which really fortify your nervous system and help take your stress levels down several notches, so that by the time the end of the day comes along and you're feeling stressed and tense and wired, it just helps to get rid of all that tension. And we also added in another herb called dandelion root, and dandelion root really nourishes and supports your liver so that your body can detox all night long. An interesting feature about the cortisol evening tea is even though we're not using sedating herbs that knock you out, it is very calming, and the feedback we're getting from thousands of customers is that they're getting the best sleep that they've ever had. Cortisol evening tea is going to be a really wonderful tea for you. If you're the kind of person that just tosses and turns all night long, if you get home from work and you feel just stressed and tense and tired, if you've been experiencing burnout, or if you're going through a hormonal shift like menopause, this is really going to help you to nourish your body, nourish your nerves, ease that stress. However, if you happen to be on thyroid medication, if you're pregnant, you're nursing, you're under a doctor's care, you're on any kind of medication actually, you definitely want to talk to your doctor before you get this tea. But you're not sure how to make it because you've never made loose leaf tea before. I'm going to show you how absolutely easy it is to brew. What you're going to need are some of these paper filters. They're made of chemical-free, unbleached paper. You just open up your bag, pop out the string, and I'm going to take a teaspoon, not a big tablespoon or a soup spoon, but a teaspoon of the tea. I'm going to put it inside the bag, pull the drawstring closed, and stick it in my cup. Then I pour a cup of boiling water over top of the tea bag. We recommend steeping the cortisol evening tea for 7 minutes. So I'm going to set my timer for 7 minutes. And as soon as the brewing is done, all I have to do is take out this little bag and it's good to go. The best way you can describe the flavor of the cortisol evening tea is fresh, grassy, and green. It's very rich. It's very soothing, herbal. It doesn't have any kind of a fruit flavor or anything like that. It's just very nourishing and rich. We recommend drinking a soothing cup of the cortisol evening tea a couple of hours before bedtime. We don't recommend drinking it right at bedtime because sometimes when you drink something right before bed, you have to wake up in the middle of the night to use the restroom. So if you want to avoid all that drama and just sleep through the night, just drink it when you get home from work. The more you use this tea, the better it works.